Hey there, little kids. I'm your teacher, Miss Melon. Come on, kids, let's meet some wild animals together. Look here, kids. We have a lion here. That's a lion. Kids, the lion is the king of the jungle. He protects the jungle, kids. Can you hear the lion roaring? Now we have a giant elephant. Kids, that's an elephant. Elephants are big and gentle. They use their big trunk to eat, drink, and spray some water. Here comes a tiger. Kids, this is a tiger. The tiger has beautiful orange and black stripes. He walks quietly. Tigers are really fast. They are strong and they love hunting. Here comes a monkey. This is a monkey. Kids, monkeys are funny and jumpy. They swing from trees to trees and eat yummy bananas. Hello there, snake. Kids, that's a snake here. Snakes slither on the ground. They are really quiet and move without legs. Let's slither just like a snake. Wow, kids, look at the zebra. That's a zebra. Kids, zebras have black and white stripes. They love to run in groups and stay together for their safety. Look up here, kids. It's a giraffe. That's a giraffe. Kids, giraffes have long necks so they can eat leaves from tall trees. Can you stretch your neck just like a giraffe? At the end, we have a bear. That's a bear, kids. Bears are big, fluffy, and strong. They love honey, berries, and taking long naps. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me. Welcome back to my farm. Let's meet some farm animals and learn where they live. Look here, kids. We have a cow here. That's a cow. And kids, cows live in the barn. They live in a barn. The barn is cozy and warm. Can you hear the chickens, kids? It's chicken. These are chickens. And kids, chickens live in a coop. They lay their eggs and peck on the ground. Chickens live on the coop. Look at this fluffy sheep here, kids. That's a sheep. It's a sheep, kids, and sheep live on the field. Their wool keep them warm and soft. Sheep live in a field. Look here, kids. That's a horse. We have a horse here. It's a horse, kids. And horses live in a stable. They love to run fast and gallop all around. Horses live in a stable. Who's that swimming in the pond? It's a duck. That's a duck, kids. Ducks live near the pond or lake. They love to splash and swim all day long. Kids, ducks live in a pond or a lake. Can you hear that sound? That's a goat. Kids, it's a goat. And goats live in the hillside farm. They love to climb, jump, and eat grass. Kids, goats live in the hillside farm. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day. Kids, let's play a fun game together. We are going to listen carefully and guess the animal sound. Look here, kids. Which animal is it? Let's listen to the sound. What was that sound, kids? Let's listen again. Is it a dog or a cow? Yes, kids, it's a cow. Say it with me. It's a cow. Can you hear this sound? Which animal is it? Look at this shadow, kids. Can you guess the animal? Is it a sheep or a horse? You're right, kids. It's a horse. Now say it with me. It's a horse. Can you hear this sound, kids? What could it be? Look at the shadow, kids. Is it a duck? Or maybe a cat? Yes, kids, you guessed it. It's a duck. Now repeat after me. It's a duck. Oh, kids, this one sounds fluffy. Look here, kids. Look at the shadow and listen to the sound. Is it a sheep or maybe a donkey? That's right, kids. It's a sheep. Now say it with me. It's a sheep. Whoa, kids, can you hear this? It's a loud sound. Let's listen to it again. What do you think, kids? Is it a dog? Or maybe a donkey? Yes, kids, it's a donkey. Great job, little kids. Now say it with me. It's a donkey. I hear so many sounds. Kids, can you guess which animal is it? Look at the shadow and listen to their sound. Is it a chicken or maybe a cow? You got it right, kids. It's a chicken. Come on, kids, say it with me. It's a chicken. Great job, little kids! We learned so many animal sounds today. You did such a great job. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day. Hello kids, I'm Miss Melon, and today we are going to meet all the farm animals together. Let's do it! Look here kids, this is a cow. Say it with me, cow. Now wave hello to the cow. Hello cow. How are you, little cow? Can you hear the cow saying hello to you? This is a cow. Look friends, here we have some chickens. This is a chicken. Now let's greet the chicken. Hello chickens. Hello there chickens. The chicken says, hello chicken. Look at these soft white animals. This is a sheep. Kids, this is a sheep. Hello sheep. How are you doing sheep? And the sheep says, let's say it all together. Sheep. Here comes a strong horse. Kids, this is a horse. Now let's greet the horse. Hello horse. How are you horse? And the horse says, this is a horse. Look at this cute little duck. Kids, this is a duck. Hello duck. How are you duck? Say it with me kids. Hello duck. And the duck says, this is a duck. Look here kids, we have a goat. This is a goat. Now let's say hello to the goat. Hello goat. How are you goat? And the goat says, yes kids, this is a goat. Look who's here kids. This is a donkey. He's so kind and helpful. This is a donkey. Let's wave hello to the donkey. Hello donkey. Hello there donkey. And the donkey says, kids, this is a donkey. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.